This is a Ford, 1996 Ford F-150 XLT. It was in a fire and was on recall from Ford Motor Company. The drivers the night was my son and his friend, and they noticed a small fire, and he proceeded to stop the vehicle, attempt to put out the fire, opening the hood, but they saw the fire was just too great. They called 911, and unfortunately with the Horizon phone, 911 thought it was a prank call, so they would send out county deputies. They told them they needed a fire truck. The truck was on fire. They said they would send out deputies, and they told them they needed a fire truck. The truck continued to burn. Finally disconnected from 911. My wife and I both attempted to notify 911. Each time they answered their line, then they turned right around and hung up. Finally, we called 1-815-432-2431, which is the county sheriff's department, which is housed in the same building as part of that 911 notification program. They took the calls, and within a few minutes we had assistance out there with the cop and then the fire department shortly after. But we are there, that service at 10. 911, we attempted to find out what happened. It's been a week now, and they refused to call back and notify us of anything, of any problem at all. We realize cell phones may create a problem, but that's one of the reasons why you call a cell phone. But we did make connection. So we made connection. There should be no question about whether or not our cell phones work with 911 here in Iroquois County. Unfortunately, the truck is totaled. Fortunate nobody got hurt, but in the location was in, flames were jumping 30 to 40 feet in the air, and you can see the vehicle got extremely hot. It could have caught a lot of woods on fire where it was located at, and we're still waiting for 911 to call us and tell us what happened. But this truck is gone, and it was on a recall too. We found out later by Ford Motor Company, so we're waiting notification from them also. But this is dangerous. If you got a recall, you better find out. If you bought a used vehicle, or if you got a new one, you get a recall, you better have it taken care of. Plus, you better ensure that your telephone providers can contact 911 and make sure that 911 will at least answer your calls and send help when you need it.